Welcome back, my name is Dak, and today at the brew tank we are racking the traditional orange blossom. Let's get started. Okay, so our supplies today is our siphoning gang, some fresh star sands, an empty sterile or 1 gallon carboy, a stool or something to elevate your carboy, your original mead, 3-piece airlock and stopper. Also, if you want to take a gravity reading, you'll also need a hydrometer, graduated cylinder, and either a wine thief or a large baster. As always, we start off by sanitizing our workspace. Next, we will set up our traditional for siphoning. Always make sure to elevate your primary carboy above the secondary carboy you are transferring to. Gravity will do the rest once you get it started. Before I drop this in and start to siphon, we'll take a sample to see where the flavor's at and get a final gravity reading. After we discuss the taste, I'm going to attach the cane using the side clip. I highly recommend investing in one as it's a good quality of life attachment to have. Once that's in place and adjusted an inch above the lees, let's get to siphoning. It came out a little dry, so hopefully it mellows with age. I'll come back to this one later and refine it more. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for joining me for some siphoning, and I hope some of you out there give a traditional a shot. Hit me with a like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I hope you try out your own traditional in the comments section below. Happy brewing! Cheers!